What is up, my GRT lovers? Good morning. Welcome back. Thank you for watching my videos, guys. I'm actually really surprised people are actually watching them. So as long as that continues to happen, I'm going to continue to put out some more TAs. So let's go ahead and get started. So we did. Oh, you know what? Let me turn on my lines. Sorry, this is messy. That's why I turned it off initially. But let's go ahead and take a look and see what is happening here today. We did get our pump. What was that, on the 26th? That went up. We went ahead and went up. I don't know if you guys remember from the previous video, but we did have this kind of bearish wedge that was going on that I was talking about, and in fact, we did break down. We did go down. We did test this level. It stopped for a little bit, and then we had a sudden drop. And as you guys can see, on the RSI down here, we did go below that 30. What a great buying opportunity right here. Do I think this is the bottom? I don't know. I really don't know. This thing could play out even more, and go down and touch this 34 area right here. Do I think that's going to happen? No, I don't. And again, guys, this is not financial advice. I'm just kind of giving you and sharing with you the data of what I think is going to happen. That's just my opinion. I'm just some random dude on the internet, but I'm going to try to use this data to my advantage to see where I can take my next positions, where I'm going to sell, yada, yada, yada. So, okay, currently we are in this channel that you guys can see right here. We are looking for a breakout off this top channel over here. As you can see, as I'm doing this video, we're putting in this engulfing candle right here. Mind you, this is only on the 15-minute chart, so you know we could very well go up, hit, and then come right back down and test this support over here. I want to show you something, and I think it's a little bizarre. It's kind of crazy, but you know it's worth mentioning, right? Let's move this over here, get it out of the way. Let's go to a daily chart. This is pretty silly, but I want you guys to see, because we don't have that much data that we are working with. Better yet, let's go to a 4-hour. Because we don't have that much data that we're working with, I did make a trend line going all the way back here from when GRT first was born, right? I connected that with the recent low that we had. That's really the only thing that I have to go off of, really the only kind of bounce. And this would make sense considering the trend, the downtrend that we were in, we just broke out of. It would make sense for us to bounce around these levels here, and continue to go up. But I don't know, something to watch. We'll see if it pans out. If we can find support, it's a great predicted support then, if it works out. But we'll see what happens. Okay, so I did make this Fibonacci retracement this morning, and basically we took our 618 to 786, go from the swing low to the swing high up here. There's a 618 line, 786 right on the bottom. This was support right here for GRT, and we did wick down a little bit, and we definitely came down and touched this. Where's my tool? There it is. We touched it perfectly, and it to me it just blows my mind. How do the charts know to do this? You know, everyone else is working with these charts and they're looking at the same thing, and they're looking for the buying and selling opportunities. So like I said, we're taking a traditional set of TA and we're applying it to an untraditional market, and it is working. And it blows my mind. It doesn't make sense, but it works. Anyways, so we are looking to, at least on the 15-minute chart, go above the 70 line. If you guys are going to be making any sells, if you guys bought down here, congratulations. That was a great buy. Huge great buy. You can hold on to it and go long term if you guys want to, but for me, I like to make these small day trades and keep it interesting. I also guys wanted to show you what was happening on the MACD. We did have this cross. Oh, let's go to the 4-hour. Or yeah, it was the 4-hour. No, was it the 4-hour? I'm lying. I'm lying to you guys. I'm all over the place. We are having this bullish divergence, right, coming up. You can see that we've kind of bottomed down over here, and we're about to cross. And what I think will happen with these is these two lines will cross over here probably within the next few hours or so, and we'll get a resumption up. And if that happens, we're gonna break this line up here, which is the I can't see what that line is. 48, 49, almost 50 cents. If that happens, guys, hold your positions. We're going to be going up and we're going to be testing this 53-cent area. Everyone knows that this kind of long-term play is to get up to the 60 cents. That's our Fibonacci retracement all the way up here. Although I do have these resistance lines built in. These they've held in the past, and it's going to take some time, right? We're not going to go straight up. This breakout happened because of exactly that. It was a breakout. We broke this trend and boom, huge gains. We're probably not going to see that again, right? Because a lot of this hype was based off of Bitcoin going up like crazy yesterday. So because we did have that breakout, we are, in my opinion, are probably going to bounce around. We'll come up, we'll test this top trend line, and I think we'll play around in here for a little bit. I don't think this long-term trend line down here is going to play out. That's just too short of a time frame to me. I don't think it's going to ride all the way up and just kind of play around in here and bounce off of it. If it does, we could potentially be looking at a 60-cent GRT by the end of the year, or around that time, beginning of next year, end of this year. So I guess we'll see what happens. Just a little update for you guys. If we do get a breakout of this top resistance line right here, that would be a pretty good buying opportunity for the short term if you guys are looking to swing trade. But if you got in down here, good job, guys. I think that's the bottom right there. Go ahead and hold on for the next few days, couple days, see where we end up. But ultimately, we are looking to try to break that 50-cent area. Okay, just wanted to give you a quick update. Thanks for watching.